My name is Holly Wisman, and I'm the VP of Grants and Services for the Arts and Science Council, or ASC, in Charlotte, North Carolina.
And my name is Liz Fitzgerald. I am also with the Arts and Science Council, and I am the program director for our grants and services, specifically supporting our creative individuals and project grants that we support.
So we wanted to come and share some information with you about the Mecklenburg Creatives Resiliency Fund, also known as our Emergency Relief Grant for individual artists. As soon as this crisis hit, we started hearing about closures and cancellations, and the impact on the creative community was immediate. We started hearing right away from artists and creative practitioners about the financial implications of the COVID coronavirus crisis. Many people in our community are working from gig to gig, and any sort of disruption in their work is a major issue. There's a lot of anxiety right now, both short-term in terms of how people are going to make their rent this month, and long-term in terms of just how long this crisis is going to go on before people can really get back to work. So we started looking at examples of emergency relief grants in other parts of the country, and finding out what other folks were doing to support the creative individuals in their community. Liz, what would you like to add?
So from there, we really looked at what are some resources that we already have that we could put to this cause, and what is a way that we could make a meaningful dent in some of what that financial impact has been for our creative community. And so with the Mecklenburg Creatives Resiliency Fund, we are offering $500 to folks that are demonstrating that they have incurred at least $500 of impact because of the changes. And so it's open to anyone who lives in Mecklenburg County who has a creative practice that is part of their income stream. The application is designed to be really simple. It's asking you to kind of give us your contact information, kind of bank information of how we get the check out to you, and then asking you to show us what your creative practice is, what that looks like, and describe how you have been impacted, what gig was lost, or what exhibit was canceled because of COVID-19. We are funding support both for lost income and wages, but also if folks have incurred additional medical expenses, mental health expenses, dependent care expenses because of all of the shifts in schools being closed, work being closed, those impacts in trying to make a difference, a small difference in that for our creative community here.
So ASC has been able to seed this fund with a small amount of money. We're able to fund about 40 grants right out of the gate. However, we're going to need a lot more than that. So we've also set up a donations page. When you go to the website, you can go either to the application for the grant, or you can go into the donations page. And we're encouraging everyone who's able to do so to donate to this fund. Any amount that you're able to give will help us get closer to being able to help support the creative individuals in our community. These are folks who support our community in so many important ways. They make life here valuable and creative and fun and interesting. And now is the time for us to get together and support them as well.
Absolutely. So the other piece that folks will see when they go to our website, you can make a donation, you can apply for funding support, but also we have a list of resources there that we have seen from other providers in the arts community and small business community. And so we're really trying to pool those resources as well for folks, because we know that what we're offering with this fund may make a dent for somebody, but certainly there are needs that are much greater than what we're able to address here. And so we're trying to make sure that we help provide access to that through our means for anyone who's looking for more support. Our website, which is where you go for all of this information, is www.artsandscience.org. That's just write it all out as one word.
As Liz mentioned, there are a number of resources on our website. There's also a survey there that's available for individual artists and for cultural organizations as well. And what we're trying to do with that is gather a sense of what the impact is, financial and otherwise, on the community. And that's helping us to advocate for the needs that people and organizations have right now.